Hello, curious explorers! Today, we're going to take an amazing journey through our body to see how our digestive system works. From eating our favorite foods to turning them into energy, we'll discover how our body processes food. Are you ready to explore? Let's get started. The digestive system is like a special factory inside our body that helps us process the food we eat. It starts from our mouth and goes all the way to our stomach and intestines. This system breaks down food so our body can use it for energy, growth, and keeping us healthy. Our journey starts when we eat food. First, we use our teeth to chew the food into smaller pieces. This helps our body break it down more easily. Our saliva, which is the juice in our mouth, starts to break down the food too. This is the first step in our digestive adventure. Next, the chewed food travels down a tube called the esophagus. The esophagus carries the food from our mouth to our stomach. It's like a slide that helps move the food along. When we swallow, muscles in the esophagus help push the food down to the stomach. Once the food reaches the stomach, it's mixed with special juices that help break it down even more. The stomach is like a big mixer that churns the food and turns it into a mushy mixture. This helps our body absorb all the important nutrients from the food. After the stomach, the food moves into the small intestine. This is where the magic happens. The small intestine absorbs nutrients from the food and sends them into our bloodstream. These nutrients give us energy and help our body grow and stay healthy. Finally, any leftover food that our body doesn't need moves into the large intestine. Here, water is absorbed, and the waste is prepared to leave the body. The large intestine helps get rid of the waste we don't need in a process called digestion. Here are some fun facts about digestion. Did you know that your small intestine is about 20 feet long, and it takes about 6 to 8 hours for food to travel through your digestive system? Our body is an amazing machine that works hard to keep us healthy and strong. Our adventure through the digestive system has been incredible. We've learned how food travels through our body, how it's broken down, and how our body uses it for energy. Thanks for joining us on this digestive journey. Keep eating healthy foods and taking care of your amazing body. See you on our next adventure.